A group of local penitentiary employees lace up their skates to play some puck every Tuesday at the Henderson Recreation Center in Ammersview. What started out as a normal day quickly took a turn when a man suffered a heart attack on the ice.
The first person to realize what was happening was actually Tom. He was down at the other end of the ice.
The group was immediately called over to help while Oliver went to get the AED from staff, one of which was located on their level in the announcer's booth.
Involved with that were myself, Tom Oliver, Brian Wolfram, Jason Lesarge, Larry Hare, and Dave Empey. Brian was able to phone 911. Dave helped out with assessment and holding his head. Larry went to help start CPR, going to the chest. And Jason helped move everything around and be ready for whatever he needed. And I did the assessment and was able to apply the AED, and we brought him back.
Paramedics and firefighters quickly made their way to the scene. Loyalist Fire Chief says he was impressed by the action taken.
On arrival, we discovered there was a patient still on the ice surface. CPR was in progress by members of the hockey team that he was with. But one of the corrections officers are the ones that actually did the CPR and used the AED device. It's kind of ironic, but one of the corrections officers is also one of our volunteer firefighters from the Odessa Fire Station. So we had a really good level of training on the ice that morning, so which really helped.
Staff say the incident took place in this back corner of the rink on Tuesday. Officials have released the man's name. It's Joseph LeBlanc. Now, Joe and his wife Gail actually live right here in Ammersview, but they're not from the area. They moved here from New Brunswick some time ago. Today, we got an update on his condition.
Around the lunch hour today on April 1st, I checked in with the staff at Kingston General Hospital to check on the patient's condition. And at that point in time, he was doing as well as could be expected. He is still alive at this point in time and doing well.
The group was thrilled to hear that LeBlanc is in stable condition. The men say they value their first aid training and were happy to utilize it to help save a man's life.
Having these devices all over in all types of facilities like rec centers and malls really make a big difference. When someone has a heart attack, the public has a fighting chance. If they're comfortable with doing CPR and using one of these devices, it really makes a big difference.
For Station14.ca, I'm Jamie Patterson.